Hello, I'm Ella from Dongguan Shengen Metal Co. Today I will introduce the sheet metal K factor. Let's go. First off, let's talk about what the K factor is. The K factor is a crucial tool for developing flat patterns used in sheet metal forming. It's a value that helps us predict how much a piece of metal will stretch when bent. Factors affecting K factor are as follows: the type of material, grade, thickness, bending methods, tools used, and the bend angle. Alerting any of these factors can change the bend's K factor. One needs to understand the material's behavior under specific bending conditions to calculate the K factor. We figure it as a ratio, the distance from the inside bends to the natural axis divided by the material thickness. The formula is small letter t divided by capital letter T equals K factor, where capital letter T is the material thickness and small letter t is the distance from the inside face to the natural axis. However, directly measuring the natural axis is challenging. Thus, we use indirect methods like bend deduction, especially for 90-degree bends. Bend deduction is the difference between the sum of the flange lengths after forming and the flat size before beginning. Understanding and accurately applying the K factor is vital in sheet metal fabrication. By grasping this concept, you can significantly improve the precision of your metal parts, ensuring they meet the highest quality standards. Thank you for your tuning in. Remember, CNN is here to support your sheet metal fabrication needs. See you in the next video. Bye.